Atlantica Organics was founded in Ojai, California by Jessica Acosta, a passionate entrepreneur and world traveler who fell in love with the beauty and history of handmade rugs. With over 20 years of experience in the textile industry and a deep appreciation for traditional craftsmanship and sustainability, Jessica created a business that not only offers exquisite rugs from around the world, but also promotes ethical and responsible practices. At Atlantica Organics, we believe that a rug is not just a piece of decor, but a reflection of the cultural and artistic heritage of the people who make them. We work directly with local artisans and small businesses in Iran, Morocco, India, Turkey, and Pakistan to source our rugs, ensuring that each piece is authentic, high quality, and socially responsible. We carefully select our partners based on their expertise, creativity, and commitment to fair wages, safe working conditions, and eco-friendly processes. By supporting our business, you're also supporting the livelihoods and well-being of the people who create our rugs. Our collection includes a diverse range of handmade rugs, from classic Persian carpets to vintage Berber rugs, from modern kilim designs to tribal embroideries. Each rug is a unique masterpiece crafted with love and attention to detail. We offer various sizes, colors, and styles to fit your personal taste and space, and we also provide custom orders and consultations to ensure that you find the perfect rug that complements your home and lifestyle. At Atlantica Organics, we're not just selling rugs. We're sharing a passion for culture, beauty, and sustainability. We believe that by creating meaningful connections between people and their surroundings, we can make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for being part of our journey.